Developing a strong immune system from birth begins with creating a healthy digestive system. The digestive tract is home to millions of microorganisms, which are mostly bacteria. A baby's gut relies on good bacteria to support immune development in many ways. Probiotics are microorganisms that may be beneficial to health when consumed in adequate amounts. When added to infant formula, probiotics nourish a healthy digestive system. This in turn strengthens the baby's natural immune system. Ingesting probiotics may increase the levels of beneficial bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. The beneficial bacteria ferment undigested carbohydrates, producing short-chain fatty acids. These acids lower the pH of the intestine, making it inhospitable to bacteria that could be pathogenic. Probiotics also help keep the intestinal mucosa healthy. The mucosa lines the inside of the intestine and serves as the essential barrier between the external environment and the immune system. In addition, probiotics help repair damage to the mucosa by stimulating epithelial cell regeneration.